80% of medical professionals face burnout due to mundane tasks. Let's fix that. I've personally tested multiple automation tools to find the best solution for those in the healthcare industry, and here are 5 that you should consider using today. And you're going to want to stick around for number 3 since it's an absolute cheat code if you're drowning in data entry work. Okay, so as a healthcare professional, like any other professional, there are times where you're expected to write reports or quick emails for colleagues and patients. And one thing I do know about juggling tasks like these, it requires you to manage your time efficiently. Having to check for spelling errors or even trying to craft a perfectly worded email with the right tone can be a bother. So that's why the first runner-up is Grammarly. Grammarly has been a game changer for me personally. There are a few things that constitute as to why it made it onto the list. One of those reasons is Grammarly is platform and device agnostic, which essentially means that whether you're on Windows, Mac, or perhaps an iPad, laptop, or even a mobile phone, it'll work just about anywhere and on any device once there's a text field. A few years ago, Grammarly was primarily just used to catch those pesky spelling and grammatical mistakes. However, Grammarly now dives deeper, helping with the clarity and conciseness, taking into account other aspects of your writing style like the tone, the readability, and the goal of your message. Plus, it gives you a neat score for your writing, kind of like having a personal editor that knows your writing style. Now, while there's a great free option, if you're like me and want the extra edge, especially in my field, the paid version unlocks even more time-saving features, and it's totally worth it. So why not give it a try and see how much smoother your writing task can be? Let's get that paperwork breezy and efficient. Second on the list is Asana, one of the best task and working management platforms. It's a top contender for healthcare teams looking to really harness automation to streamline those complex workflows. Asana comes packed with native features like managing projects from start to finish with ease, breaking work into bite-sized tasks and organizing everything visually. And whether you prefer lists, calendars, or even Kanban boards, Asana has it all. I was pleasantly surprised to find out that Asana now offers time tracking, which is such a game changer. If you're anything like me and struggle with time management, this tool helps track where your time is going and pinpoints where adjustments are needed to maximize your efficiency. And let's not overlook the vast amount of templates Asana provides that should support for common healthcare workflows, be it assigning patient care, notifying staff about updates, or even onboarding new team members. It's all built in to support your daily task management needs. And with AI now in the mix, Asana makes it simple to create workflows from scratch or provide helpful summaries and feedback. I particularly love the fact that I can write a prompt and have Asana automatically create new projects with generic tasks that might suit my needs. This means more time saved and more focus on what truly matters. And so with all these features, Asana truly lives up to its reputation and can be invaluable in enhancing productivity for healthcare professionals. So lately I've been spending a lot of time with doctors, nurses, and other healthcare professionals diving into their daily struggle at work. And one thing that really stood out was just how much time they spend glued to their computers, especially when transferring EHR and EMR data back and forth. Naturally, I couldn't help but say, no, let's fix this. So I told them to download this application to your browser. And of course, I recommended Magical. Magical is an AI automation tool packed with a ton of features, but for healthcare professionals, its automatic transfer capability is a lifesaver. To demonstrate, let's take a look at some patient data that needs eligibility checks. Traditionally, you'd have to copy and paste the data to verify it, but with Magical, you can create an automation that seamlessly pulls data from any site, like an online EHR library, and transfers it to the right fields. Now imagine doing this for tens or hundreds of patients each month. Seriously, it's a huge time saver and lets healthcare professionals focus more on their true passion, helping patients efficiently. You see, the best part is Magical is currently free to use, and if you want to up your transfer game, you can always upgrade your account. If you're ready to get started with Magical, you can use the link in the description, and all you need to do is just install the application to your browser like your Chrome or on Firefox or even Microsoft Edge, and you should be able to use it right there and transfer data from one site to another. Now, one common line I hear from healthcare professionals is, I'm tired of the endless back and forth emails and phone calls just to schedule an appointment. In fact, most healthcare professionals spend about 30% of their time on admin work. That time could be better spent helping their patients. That's where Simply Book Me steps in. Now, Simply Book Me offers seamless online booking. Patients can book their appointments directly through a user-friendly interface, which automatically syncs with your calendar. No more double booking or missed slots. And I know most of you are going to appreciate the automated reminders and notifications. Simply Book Me takes the hassle out of follow-ups, sending timely reminders to both patients and staff, drastically reducing the no-shows and keeping everyone on the same page. Finally, there is flexible staff scheduling. You can customize shifts and availability for each team member effortlessly, ensuring optimal resource management and smoother operations. Simply Book Me not only simplifies the scheduling process, but also enhances overall efficiency, allowing you to focus on what you do best: caring for your patients. And last but not least, we have Zapier, the jack of all trades for automation. For healthcare professionals, Zapier holds the potential to connect application and automate processes that often seem impossible to streamline. Now, while it's important to know that Zapier is not HIPAA compliant and has limitations regarding patient confidentiality, it excels in other areas. Take, for example, its new chatbot feature, a real gem for healthcare websites. Imagine embedding and configuring a chatbot on your site to efficiently handle appointment bookings. With a properly trained chatbot, you can streamline inquiries and set up appointments seamlessly. Or how about automating those special touches like sending birthday greetings or well wishes? It's just the warm approach hospital, clinics, and private practices need to enhance patient engagement and retention. But if Zapier doesn't quite suit your fancy, don't worry. There are other tools like make.com that can make and accomplish similar tasks. And if you're unsure which tools to choose, check out my comparison video where I dive into the details to help you make an informed decision. So that's 5 automation tools that could revolutionize your workflow. If you give them a try and they make a difference, I'd love to hear about it. Come back to this video and let me know your thoughts. And here's something fun. YouTube automated your next video to binge watch from our channel. You should probably check it out because robots know what's best for you.